Question 7. 27 a cube b cube plus 64 b cube c cube. So carefully think, this 27, here is a 3, a cube against this one is a b cube, here is a b, then whole cube. It's as similar as this one, plus against 64, here is a 4, then b, then c, and now whole cube. So we know the law, which is a cube plus b cube. It means a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. This case first a plus b. It means 3ab plus, and then we can write this one is a what? We can write this one is a 4bc. Then a square, it means 3ab square minus ab. ab means 3ab times 4bc. Then plus b square, it means 4bc square. Okay, now we can write here is a 3ab plus 4bc, and here is a 9a square b square minus 3 times 4, it's a 12. 12ab square c plus 16b square c square. So we have to do one work from starting, like from here we can take common b cube, right? So this case, now we can take common, this one is a b. So here is a 3a plus 4c, right? We can take common from here b. And same thing, we can take common in here b square. So it will be b square, then 9a square minus 12ac plus 16c square. Now b and b square, it will be b cube. So here is a 3a plus 4c, then 9a square minus 12ac plus 16c square. So number 7 done. Question 8. 56 x cube minus 189 y cube. Look at this math. This 56 is not any cubic format, and 189 also same thing. So this case we have to find a common factor. We have to find a highest common factor, then we will divide this expression. Look, 189, if we make factorize by 56, so here is a 2, it means 2 carry 1 10 plus 1 11, right? Is it possible by 3? Maybe it's possible. Here is a, if we divide by 3, so 3 times 6 is a 18, carry 1, 3 times 5 15 and 16. Here is a 1, here is a 2, right? Now 56, it's a 2 time, it means 42. Here is a 4, here is a 1. So this 21 can be done by 2 1 times. So 14, here is a 7. So here is a 14 2 times. So here will be 14. So the highest common factor is 7. So we can take common from here 7. So it will be 8, right? 56 divide 7, 8. Here is a x cube minus 189. If we divide by 7, what we will get? 189 divide 7. So here is a 27, right? 27 y cube. Now it's a smart thing. This 8 can be write like 2x, here is a cube, minus here is a 3y cube. Now it's looking a cube minus b cube. Now we are going to a simple format, which is a cube minus b cube, a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So this case we can write 7, then 2x minus 3y, then here is a 2x square plus 2x times 3y plus 3y square. Okay, so what will be the result? 7 2x minus 3y, and here is a 4x square plus 2 times 3 is a 6, 6xy plus 9y square. This is our result. So number 8 done. Question 9. 3x minus 75x cube. So 3x we cannot make any cubic format, and 75 also same thing. So this case, look, this 3 and 75 has some relation. We can take common, and also here is a x and here is a x square. We can take common also x. So here will be 1, 75 divide 3, it will be 25. X cube divide x, so here is a x square. Now what will be the result? Here is a 3x, and this 1 we can write 1 square, and 25x square can be write 5x whole square, right? Now it's looking a square minus b square, so this is the result, like 1 plus 5x times 1 minus 5x. This is our result. So number 9 done. Question 10. 4x square minus y square. So this one we can write 2x square minus y square. So it will be 2x plus y times 2x minus y, as per a square minus b square theory, which is a plus b times a minus b. So number 10 done. Question 11. Here is a 3ay square minus 48a. Look, this expression we cannot make any a square minus b square or a cube plus b cube or any kinds of thing. So how can we solve this one? First, look, here is a and here is a, and this 48 is a coefficient of a and 3 is a coefficient of a square. So we can take common 3a. So here will be y square. 48 divide 3 is a 16. A divide a is a 1. So here is a just 16. Now look, this one we can write y square minus 4 square. Okay, so here is a 3a, y plus 4 and y minus 4. So this is our answer. Question 12 of factorization exercise 4.3, 12. A square minus 2ab plus b square minus, here is a p square. Look, this a square minus 2ab plus b square we can write directly a minus b whole square, and here is a minus p square. Now it's looking a square minus b square, so in this case we can write a minus b plus p and a minus b minus p, right? So number 12 done. Question 13. 16y square minus a square minus 6a minus 9. So this one, what can we do? Look, here is a 16y square minus a square minus 6a. We can do something in here. How? Like, this 16y square can be write 4y square, and here we can take common minus, so it will be a square plus 6a plus 9. Now 4y square minus this one, if you think like a square plus 2 times a times 3. 3 square means 9, right? So plus 3 square. So it's looking like 4y square minus a plus 3 whole square. It means it's looking a square minus 2ab plus b square. It's a 2ab, that is 6a. So finally we can write as per law, which is a square minus b square can be write a plus b times a minus b. So this one is looking 4y then plus a plus 3 and 4y minus a plus 3. Okay, so finally 4a y plus a plus 3, and this will become 4y minus a minus 3. This is our answer. So number 13 done. Question 14. Here is a 8a plus a then p cube. So how can we solve this one? First we can take common a, so it will be 8 plus p cube. Now here is a 8 against 8 we can write 2 cube plus this one is become p cube. No need here second bracket, can be write first bracket. So it's a cube plus b cube. Now we can write a 2a plus p, then 2a square minus ab. It means 2 times p plus b square. It means p square. So our answer will be a 2 plus p and then 4 minus 2p plus p square. This is our answer. So number 14 done.